What's going on, everybody? We've got an emergency video we want to show you tonight. My boy Chris has been looking at the charts right now, and he's got something to tell you is quite important. Chris, over to you.
All right, bro. I'll try and make it quick. So, like I said, it's an emergency video. So I'm going to share my screen. And I don't know if many people are talking about this in the space about Bitcoin's price action right now. But I'm looking at, this is the monthly time frame on Binance, and I've just got this chart here. And what I'm seeing is that using basic technical analysis, breakout technical analysis, right? So hopefully I can go through it quite as simple here. There are three portions to it, or there are three steps to a breakout trade, and that's basically a breakout one, a retest two, and then the confirmation, which is the third part. And Bitcoin is doing that on the monthly, which is very bullish. So if I go to let's look at the chart here. If you see the yellow arrow at the bottom, that was the initial breakout from last year. Bitcoin was about $13,000, and it broke up. And you see the green line I've drawn up here. Went all the way to 65K around April, right? So that's the first part, the first breakout on the monthly time frame. Then we have the red candles here, where you see the red arrow. That's what we call the retest. That is basically testing that area as support and building support in that range. Now, you don't necessarily take the trade, or you don't necessarily say this is bullish or bearish. You need to see more price action. So as we can see now, from when was this? This is roughly around May, June, July, 3 months, we kind of built support around 30K. We've got three big candles all touching that 30K area. Now you've got August, September, and then we've got October now ending. Three candles, but the most important candle is tonight's candle. If Bitcoin closes above, the previous all-time high monthly candle, which was back in was back in March, which was $58,000. If it closes above that tonight on the monthly, right now is looking at 61,300. That's what we call a confirmation breakout. So you would take a trade if you want to take a trade. I'm not saying to take a trade, but it's more likely that the market's going to go higher in the longer term time frame, which is basically adding up. Everyone's talking about alt season, Bitcoin going to 100K. And this is basically confirming that right now. Where the blue arrow is pointing at the top candle there, if it closes above that yellow line, that is very bullish for Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin, obviously, tomorrow is November. It could go down to like 50, 55K, but I wouldn't be worried because it's a new month. So because if it does go down, it's early in the month. It has a lot of time to kind of make up the ground and go a lot higher. Or it could just go higher from tomorrow, 65, 69K, 70K. But overall, Bitcoin closes above that yellow line. It's bullish for a long-term time frame.
We've got 45 minutes until midnight, and it looks like we're going to close above it. But what is this? What does this do for crypto?
Yeah, so let me stop sharing my screen. So basically, not like last time we had the breakout, Bitcoin rallied and all the altcoins didn't move. That was because we didn't have much retailers in the space, right? So there wasn't a lot of retailers pushing altcoins. There was a lot of institutional investors, big whales there buying Bitcoin at the time last year. Was it last year? Yeah, last year. No, last year, 2020, October. But now, because we have more retailers in the space, I do believe a lot of the altcoins will move with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin makes a move, expect the altcoins to follow. Ethereum in particular, I think will follow Bitcoin. Your bigger altcoins, Cardano, Binance, Polkadot, Solana, they will follow Bitcoin. And then when that tapers down, maybe the end of November, we'll see the last week of November, maybe all the smaller altcoins rally. So this is bullish for the whole market in general, to be honest, in my opinion.
I mean, today I think we dipped just under 60, or we've been hovering at the 60K from 62 to about 60, and things were really red. Everything just turned red. But the last like 25 minutes or so, everything all of a sudden has turned green. So it's looking like we're definitely going to close above 58. I reckon definitely going to close above 60. So, but yeah,
I mean,
quite good.
I've been looking on Twitter today, and I've been seeing a lot of these technical analysis guys saying Bitcoin needs to close above 63K. Maybe so, maybe on a short time frame, like maybe the daily candle, because or compared to last week, which I think closed about 62K last week. So maybe they're saying to close above that. But I think in the longer time frame, Bitcoin closing above 58K, which if it closes tonight at $60,000 or where it is now, it will be the highest ever monthly close in Bitcoin's history. So that's just another price discovery mode for the next couple of months, in my opinion. So guys, strap on. I think we got the bull market 2.0 coming now. Hopefully you guys accumulated, you got your crypto, you got your altcoins, you got your Bitcoin ready, and just enjoy the ride, take profits along the way.
There you have it. Bull Run 2.0 coming to you. All right, thanks, Chris.
No
Get some
problem,
sleep.
bro.
See you tomorrow. 65K Bitcoin when we wake up. No kidding.
Let's do it. Take care, bro.
Cool,
Peace.
man. Peace.